I was absolutely devastated last March 2014, when Fine Gael voted against a directly elected mayor. It was just, and I actually think it was a blow to democracy, because Dublin needs a directly elected mayor, and the citizens in Dublin are entitled to a directly elected mayor. I'm very well aware that the position of Ard Mhéara, Lord Mayor of Dublin City, doesn't really hold any power at all. I mean, what it holds is it will give me the platform to highlight issues of concern to the city, housing one of them, but also that Dublin's the economic engine of the country, and therefore we need a directly elected power with executive powers to be able to, you know, raise revenue, make investments. At the minute, most of the decisions are made by an unelected executive in Dublin City Council. So I regret that the Dublin people didn't get that opportunity.
Do you think it's dead in the water now?
No, I think the minister should resurrect it, and I think whoever worded the conditions, the terms and conditions, I mean, it was ridiculous that we needed, I think it was 50% of local authorities. It's the people of Dublin that should elect who they want to give a mandate to as a directly elected mayor.
Yeah.